Hey, what's up everybody? Abbas here from Golden Motor. I was just putting a motor on this fat bike right here, and I thought I'd show you a quick and easy way of taking your pedals off your bike. So if you have a pedal wrench, that would be awesome. It fits in perfectly and it's meant for pedal extractions. But if you don't have a pedal wrench, then you can use a 15mm wrench and it also does the job. Fits in nice and snug right here, so this also works. So I'm gonna be using a pedal wrench. I'm gonna be taking on the left side of the bike first. So this is your non-drive side. So on the left side, you are supposed to turn it clockwise to loosen the pedal. So get a nice grip, hold the crank, and have a lot of leverage. And then, so on the left side, you are turning it clockwise to loosen it. Okay, now on to the right side of the bike, which is your drive side. So on this side, you will be turning it counterclockwise. If for some reason you are taking your crank arms and pedals off, I would suggest take the pedals off first so that you have the cranks for leverage. Otherwise, it makes the pedal extraction a little bit harder. So there we go. So right side is counterclockwise.